what the fuck you doing? I came on my Spanish daughter who's blind, right? You blind? 6 fingers, and I ran up here and you tell me.
Officers responded to a residential neighborhood after receiving reports of a possible burglary involving several individuals near a home. When police arrived, they encountered multiple people outside the residence while attempting to determine whether anyone had unlawfully entered the property. During the investigation, tensions between officers and several individuals on scene quickly escalated. According to investigators, one man repeatedly approached officers while they were attempting to detain another individual and secure the area. Police body-worn camera footage captured the confrontation that followed.
Do we have a problem?
Well, no, I can't.
No, right?
Hey,
no,
right off the bat, you're not gonna run up to him and square up to him like that.
I didn't run up to him square. I ran to my baby, bro.
No,
Next door, my baby.
Put his hands
bro,
up to you.
Did.
No, we're not gonna do that. You're gonna go over here.
We're fine.
Step back.
No, I'm gonna record
Step back.
this.
Stop.
You're gonna
Go
tell me I
back.
can't record?
Hey,
Stop.
Tell me I can't record.
hey,
Stop.
hey. Calm down.
I am calm, but we all are next to my baby. I ran next door.
You can record us all you want. That's
Okay,
fine.
that's it.
Step back.
That's fine.
Okay, but you don't need to
But
put your hands
listen.
on me and take my phone from me, right?
Okay, well, I'm not, I don't
Is
like
your
the way
body
that-
camera running?
Hey,
Absolutely it
Hey,
is.
ran up
Go
to
back
us.
over there.
Perfect. Bro, go back over there. Was I over there? I was right
over
here and you
there.
ran up on me.
Go over. I'm not gonna have you standing here escalating things like this. You're gonna go back over there, or I'm gonna put you in cuffs. Which one is it?
I don't give a f- you put me in cuffs, bro.
Okay.
Be real.
Where did that other guy go?
My baby right here. Like, y'all think because you got a fucking badge, you can tell me what the fuck you doing. I came on my Spanish daughter who's blind, right? You blind? 6 fingers, and I ran up here and you tell me, yo, fuck you.
Why are you getting this close to me?
Why are you getting this close to me, bro? You ran up on me. I ran to you.
I can't.
I got baby.
Go get the baby.
Bro,
Y'all ran up on me.
I got you.
I don't care if my shit's recording, bro. I got it on video.
That's fine. I got you.
It's fun, right?
Come on.
Y'all get to say me. This is it, but you ran up on my baby, right or wrong?
Let's go
You,
back
oh,
over here.
you did it.
Walk.
He did, bro. They ran up on my baby and I'm the bad guy? Bro, my kid don't talk, bro.
Okay, we're gonna have you calm down.
Okay,
bro.
I'm calm. But I was you, brother.
I was talking.
Did I say anything bad to you?
No.
But you ran up on me. That's not normal.
I didn't want to, because my baby was
Put your
alone.
chest against the car,
Okay. Wait, you're telling me right now, between me and you, brother? If your kid was
Your
over there
kid is
alone,
not alone. Shush.
but she was, and I ran there, right?
She wasn't.
Okay. Y'all, I don't care. You can arrest me. I ain't got shit. I'm not
Why
going
would
to
you go
jail.
there?
You don't got shit on me, bro. I'll cooperate 100% full.
Okay.
Okay? Like, that's I ain't got no weapons.
Are you
I got,
on meds or something?
No, I am on.
Okay, I'm not.
You ain't taking me to jail is what I'm on.
Okay, sit in the car.
Search me? Do I got anything? I ain't got a damn, bro.
What is up with you?
What is up with me is my baby's watching me in handcuffs for no fucking reason.
Push against me, dude.
I push
I'm not
against you.
you. Sit in the car.
I push
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
I push
Will be a lot cheaper, bro. Just chill.
I know.
He's not on that. We don't do drugs. We don't do drugs. I'm not saying we don't do drugs.
Investigators stated that officers were initially called to the residence after a neighbor reported suspicious activity involving individuals attempting to enter the home. During the encounter, officers questioned several people outside the residence regarding access to the property and whether they had permission to enter the house. Authorities later determined that one of the individuals had previously lived at the location and had entered the home while attempting to retrieve property. According to officers, multiple verbal commands were issued throughout the incident as tensions continued escalating between police and the individuals involved. Investigators say one individual repeatedly approached officers during an active detention despite being instructed several times to keep his distance. Officers later referenced a recently enacted law requiring civilians to remain a specified distance away from first responders while they are performing official duties.
I live here.
Who called?
I'm assuming the old lady.
Okay, what's your name?
Jonathan.
Okay, what's your name?
Jose.
Okay. Who's he?
That's Ronnie.
Okay.
He's here with me,
Uh-huh.
and we're visiting him. My car just took a shit, and I'm just trying to push it right in here, but I can't because my 2 front axles are messed up. So we're trying to get it out the roadway.
Uh-huh.
I don't have no idea why you guys are here. The neighbors were trying to help us out.
Where do
so I
you
could
live?
Push it. I live here.
You live here.
I live around. Like it doesn't matter where I live.
That's why we're here, because you're burglarizing this house.
I'm
And the
not
people inside
burglarizing
said
the
that you
house.
entered illegally, and that's why we're here. And that's why I'm very confused, is because he's the one that called, and now I come here and everybody's all buddy. So
That's all.
you're Jose. You're
Yeah.
the one they're talking about.
Yeah. Well,
So do you live there?
No, I do
So
not.
why are you in there?
I'm not here. I'm obviously out here. So if they're saying that I burglarized anything,
Do you have a key to the house?
her. Excuse me?
Do you have a key to the house?
Doesn't matter.
Absolutely it does.
So
it sounds like he burglarized it. Got it.
Roommate.
Okay.
He used
Regardless,
to live
he's
here.
being weird, not answering my
How is
questions.
that weird?
Because I'm asking you point blank, do you have a key? You say no, you're dodging it. Did you go in that house when you weren't supposed to?
Nobody said I wasn't supposed to.
You say you don't live there, you live around. So that's a very definitive answer right there. If you live around, you don't live here.
Talk to the owner of the house.
Who's the owner?
Inside. She's right
here.
there. She's inside right there.
He's talking
Go-
to her right now. We're figuring
okay.
it out.
Well, then you figure it out. This man, how the f that whole front axle f***ed up, bro?
That's other things. It's not that.
Bro, it just popped up out of nowhere.
So you don't live
I
here
don't
anymore,
understand
correct?
it.
You were just looking for a jack.
Me?
Yeah.
I live here.
Okay.
This is
Yeah,
Jose.
this
Oh,
is
gotcha. Okay.
He's saying he
So
lives
you-
around, he doesn't live here, and he doesn't know anything about a key.
Okay.
He's dodging everything else that I questioned him
Well,
about the house.
she's got video of you trying to get in the house. Okay. Luckily, she doesn't want to press charges or anything like that because it can be burglary. Okay. I guess
Okay.
she said you were looking for a jack or something. If you have the key on you, just give it to me so I can return it to the actual
I
homeowner.
could give it to the homeowner.
Huh?
I could give it to the homeowner.
Okay. Well, she's requesting.
I could give it to the homeowner.
She doesn't want to
I
talk
could,
to you. Okay. So she's requesting that I get the key and I go and walk it to her. It's on my body cam. Okay. You
Okay.
do not live here. And again, nothing criminal is happening. She's just requesting politely her key back. That's all.
Oh, that's
Because she
perfect.
has
That's
no video
perfectly
trying
fine.
to get inside the house.
That's perfectly fine. If that was the case, she could have communicated with me as well.
I got you.
That plain Jane,
Yeah,
very
but
simple.
You haven't lived here in 2
You
weeks.
guys, I don't need you guys intermediating
I got you.
to say, hey,
Well, you entered a house that you haven't lived at in 2 weeks. That's odd.
well, she was right here when I entered.
Okay. Can I have the key? I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
That's the only one.
That's the only one.
54 on charges?
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you right now. I don't give a f- take me
So
to this is bull.
here's what's gonna happen.
Here's what's gonna happen. You gonna let me go? Cause I ain't do f- Did I commit a crime?
How old are you?
I'm 20. I'm 36 years old.
So stop acting like a child and let
Stop
me speak.
f***ing arresting me like nothing when my baby's right there.
Hey,
Okay.
get over there. No.
What crime did I commit?
So listen, if you let
I'm
me,
listening.
if you let me speak,
I'm gonna listen,
right?
I'm gonna listen. Go ahead.
I'm not raising my voice with you.
And I'm raising my voice. You got me
Right.
handcuffs in the back of the car when I ain't
That's
do
why
nothing
you're
wrong.
handcuffed. 'Cause
Bro,
you're
did
acting
I do
erratic.
anything wrong?
I'm gonna roll
Y'all
this
put me
window.
in handcuffs before I
Here's
let
what's
my
gonna
door.
happen. I'm gonna roll this window back up, and I'm gonna talk to you when you want to talk to me like a
Then
normal
talk to
person.
me.
You understand? You're gonna sit there for a little bit.
Y'all f***ing arrest me for no
You're not under arrest. That's the thing. You ain't under arrest. I'm trying to have a civil conversation with you, but you don't want to talk. When you want to talk to me like a normal person without raising your voice, I will speak to you. But for now, you're gonna cool off.
Listen to me.
Oh my goodness.
Well, her thing is she wouldn't mind helping you guys with the car.
No, it's not you guys. I live here. That's my girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
I've lived here 16 months.
Gotcha.
It's not you
Sure.
guys.
Okay. I don't know. I didn't know that.
No, I'm.
There's a whole bunch of angry people here.
No, no,
This
no,
is-
no, no,
this
no.
is
Don't,
just-
don't break.
listen,
I'm gonna step over there. You can, no, it's all good. It's all good.
You pronounce that nigga's name. Albert, how you say your name, bro?
Are you ready to speak to me?
Are you gonna come speak to me? Bro, you gotta realize I'm mad.
I get it.
Okay, but you don't. Bro, I shouldn't even be in this, brother.
So if I come over there and I roll the window down, we can talk. I can
Yeah.
get you out of them cuffs, okay?
I will come and talk. I
Just
don't give a
don't,
fuck
when
about
people,
you trying to
when you, I can't. You assaulted me.
I
You
assaulted
you pushed me
on
right
video.
into my own car.
I have video on every car.
Listen, I can talk to you or I can take you to jail. One of the two. Which one you want?
If you want to do the assault thing, we'll go through and I'll sue the department.
Sue for what? You pushed me. I hit my body against my
Video
car.
running on the car. Or
I
we
don't
can
want to
just let
press
it all
charges
go.
on you, but you're acting crazy. Listen, I pulled up, you ran up to him, and you squared up to my partner right
Brother,
there.
listen,
Okay?
quick,
So
okay?
let me pull around over there. Let me talk to you. You raise your voice with me, conversation's terminated. Do you understand?
I don't give a fuck.
Then you don't give a
gotta
fuck,
meet
and
me
I don't
in the
want to
middle.
talk to you.
You gotta meet me in the middle, okay?
Oh, hey, hey, you know, she was here before I went in. It's fine. Hey,
I get it. So we just want to make sure he's okay and he's not on anything that can hurt him. But he's in the back of the car, so.
Okay, so we've got someone in the back of the car.
Yeah, that's the person in the back.
I was trying to figure out this
Orange County.
Yeah, that's prison talk. That's how they talk in the jail. They use sign language. Yeah, when you're incarcerated long enough, you learn how to sign.
We know how to sign.
Yeah, I know you do. I mean, I'm not.
Do what? Okay, it'll be a minute.
Hey,
I got you.
hey, per the statute.
I'm gonna go get you.
Hey, brother,
So,
listen.
per statute, I'm not interrupting
16
nothing.
16
I'm
feet.
recording.
16
Go
feet.
ahead.
Okay, here we go. Stop. Stop.
What are you doing to me? You're not getting my phone.
You're gonna get faced.
For what? What's the cause? Ah!
Put your hands on your fucking back now. Last chance, or I'll light you up again.
For what? What's the cause? What's the fucking cause?
You got too close, man.
What's the cause, man?
Told you 16 feet.
16 feet what? You didn't tell me nothing.
I tried to, but you're not
You didn't
listening.
tell me nothing, man.
You're not.
Sir,
This entire time, you
Sir,
escalated the situation.
I tried.
Let me speak.
I tried to
Let me
de-escalate
speak.
him.
Let me speak. Okay? Every time you come near him, he rises up. We got him calm, you come back around. I tell you to back up, you don't back up. There's a new statute that's just been passed. 16 feet, you have to give space for us to do our job.
You could have told me
but
16
you're coming,
feet, sir.
I tried to. When I came up to you, you smiled and laughed at me and completely ignored me.
I was
That's
telling
what
him
happened.
that I had his
I
baby.
told you to back up.
No.
What did you do? You ignored me. I tried to
sir,
put you in
if you
front,
would've- if you
and then you wanted to fight.
If you would have told
For
me,
what?
if you would have told me 16 fucking feet, I would have let you do what the you had to do. You didn't tell me that.
But we can't talk to
So
you.
I sat there and I
But
told
we
him
can't
I have his
speak to
baby.
you.
I calmed him the down, and I tried to do what I had to do.
What the fuck? What's wrong with my car?
No, listen. So it's parked in the road.
That's not my car. My car's not here. Hold on.
Okay, that's not your car?
No, my
Okay,
car
perfect.
is
You're
in the
good
park.
to go. I'm good.
I know y'all can't do nothing to me. What you gonna do? Zach. Come on, baby. They want to throw me in cuffs, try to fucking strong on me, but you can't do a damn. Cause this is fucking legal, bro. You're done. Bullshit. Jonathan.
Now, so he can take care of your daughter.
Bro, what the f*** What did I do?
Literally, you've been told I don't know how many times. Chest against the car, spread your feet. Anything on you?
Nope.
Hey, there's the card that we gave you multiple times.
Okay, so it's in my pocket. What the f*** you want me to do? Bro, what did I didn't do nothing wrong. Y'all are fucking strong-arming me, arresting me because...
During the incident, officers temporarily detained one man in handcuffs while continuing their investigation. Authorities stated that a second individual later approached officers while recording with a cell phone and refused multiple commands to step back. The confrontation escalated further before officers ultimately took the individual into custody. According to investigators, one man was charged with resisting without violence and approaching a first responder after warning. A second individual was later charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting without violence, and approaching a first responder after warning.